I welcome you to this channel once again. Now this video is about making money online. Now this way is very simple and reliable. So with that, you first visit your web browser and then you put in this link. The link I'll leave it in my description, so you can go to the description and then you click on the link over there. So when you get to the site, you will be asked to sign up to register an account. So you have to put in your credentials and then you register the account. That is for the Federal Insurance Corporation. So with me, I already have an account, so I'll just have to log into my account. So after logging into the account, this is the nice message they have for us. FIC has entered Ghana strongly, and the event announcement is as follows. Number 1, new user registration reward, that is 5 Ghana cedis if you invite your subordinate to successfully purchase any COVID-19 insurance. The system will reward you 10 cedis again, that is minimum of 20 Ghana cedis can be withdrawn immediately. Meaning with this site, the minimum withdrawal is 20 Ghana cedis. Now you would have to buy your own COVID-19 insurance, get a fixed daily income valid for 1 year. Now invite friends to buy COVID-19 insurance to get system 10 cedi bonus plus 5% rebate for friends spending, which will be automatically issued to your account. You can earn 5% of your daily income from your team every day. The stronger the team, the more the daily income. I think this is very great. So we can all jump on this and then try and create an account and start investing something. So without wasting my time, let me take you through what this site is fully about. So immediately you log into your account. This is the home page. This is the first page you see. Now with the first page, you can see that there are some plans, VIP plans you have to purchase before you make your hour income. So this is the VIP income. So now the minimum you can buy is 50 Ghana cedis. The minimum you can buy is 50 Ghana cedis. So let's pick a price rate and then calculate the income per hour, and let's see how much you can make a year. So we are picking VIP 1 first. So let's pick VIP 1 first. Go to a calculator and then we calculate the income. Now with VIP 1 you can earn 30 pesos per hour. So 30 pesos times 24 hours is 7 cedis per day. 7 cedis per day. That is for VIP 1. VIP 1. Yes. And that one you purchase it at 150 Ghana cedis. So earning 7 cedis a day, we multiply that by a year, and then this is our income, 2,628 Ghana cedis. This is our income, and I think it's very good. It's very good. Yes. So going on with calculation with the VIP 2, I think our hour income is 1 cedi, that is per an hour. So 1 cedi by 24 hours is 24 cedis an hour. 24 cedis an hour. That is with the VIP 2, 24 cedis an hour, which is you're going to purchase that at 500 Ghana cedis. That is the money you use to purchase that. So multiplying this 24 Ghana cedis by a year, this is the amount you get by 1 year. And I think this is a very cool investment. This is a very cool investment. So you can also do well to purchase other bigger plans. The plan you purchase, and then the bigger money you earn a day and then a year. That is how it is. So now clicking on earnings, you can track the amount of money you make. You can track the amount of money you make from each of the plans you purchase. So as you can see, income per hour, own investment, and accumulated income, return on investment. So you can share your link to friends as well, and then you earn some commissions on that link. Yes. And also if the friend registers and then purchase a plan, you will be given a commission based on the plan the person not purchased. So this is how this investment is, and I think it's very good and reliable. So let's all try this.